So I knew that something was wrong. There are no strict rules in Pondicherry. If anything happens to us, we are responsible. So the first ball is ready. This is made by Ian. It comes with a risk also. So this is the banyan tree. This falls right in the center of Auroville. So I just finished uploading a video. It will be up tomorrow at 10:30. So hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another fresh video. So today we'll be going to Auroville. I will be exploring over there. Although we are staying in Auroville also, so we'll be going to the main sites, that's Matri Mandir and all. There are a few cafes and all that the host over here only told us, so we'll be going over there. So this is what our room looks like right now. It's a complete mess. I'll show it to you all tomorrow before we check out. It will be much cleaner that time. So I'll show it from outside also. These are like hut stays. You all must have seen in the other video, but still I'll show it today because you know it's bright and clear. The weather update is that it's quite sunny today. There's no signs of rain. So we'll dress up first and then we'll go to Auroville. There's a cafe that they have told us. They have recommended it, so we'll go over there. It's a bakery actually. So we'll go over there and we'll see what they have. So this is what our room looks like. These are all hut stays. So there are 3 here and some other on the other side. You know, it looks quite good. In the thumbnail you all must have seen. So we are ready now. We are moving to Auroville. So we'll be roaming there. We can take our bikes with him. I asked her. These guys are walking in front. So it seems I've told it in the video yesterday also. So it seems you know there are no strict rules in Pondicherry with regards to traffic. There is no need to wear a helmet or anything like that. But it comes with a risk also. Riding here is on your own risk. So since there are no harsh traffic rules, people are not bothered. They ride anyhow. Like even yesterday when we went to Pondicherry, the main city, people just like come in from any side, and there's no one follows even one-way traffic rules. So it's a bit risky to travel like that. But now we are just going to Auroville only. There are like 2-3 places that we have in mind. The main important being the Matri Mandir. We can go inside Matri Mandir also, but for that you need to take a pass like 2 weeks prior. You have to send a mail to the Auroville guys that you need a pass. Only then they'll allow you. So our bikes are here. So we have come to the cafe. There are a lot of options. So there are wraps, there are crepes, and then there are espressos, hot drinks, sandwiches, salads, fruit salads. So some things are till 10 a.m. The time right now, I think it's 11, almost 11. So we'll see what we have. So we came here, but they are saying that it will take 1 hour, max 1 hour. But they are giving a time of 2 hours. So you know it will waste a lot of time. So we'll move from here. We'll check for some cafes on the way only. So now we have come to another cafe. That's Hope Cafe. We'll see what they have inside. So it's been almost 1 hour that we are staying and waiting for our food. It's not come. These 2 guys had his sandwiches also came, and this one's what it is?
Joy.
Joy what? No, it is Joy smoothie. So this is chocolate smoothie bowl with bananas and dry fruits. I ordered strawberry smoothie bowl, but it's not yet come. It's almost 1 hour. I don't know what they are doing also. There are not much people also over here, but still it's taking a lot of time. So the plan right now is to go for pottery classes. Then we'll go to a temple. That's the Matri Mandir. It's like a yoga place. It looks quite good. And there are a few other things. First let us get done with this and then I'll tell you. Also there might be changes in plans with respect to our stay. We might stay here tomorrow. We are not sure. It depends on how the things go today. But yes, there is a chance of staying today.
A few moments later.
So I knew that something was wrong. He did not take my order only. I told him now. So let's see how long it takes. We are waiting. So this one started. Let's see how long it will take now. I'm extremely hungry because yesterday night, what time we had this thing? Dinner? 7 at 7 we have, and after 7 we do not have anything. We just had ice cream, and from then we are hungry. Last night only we were hungry, so we asked this room guys if they had anything to give. But then it's an interior location, so then the shops also were closed, so they did not have any snacks and all. So since then we are hungry, and still let's see. I'll wait. And my smoothie is also come now. So this is pomegranate, apple. These are some dry fruits, and there's strawberry, I think, beneath. It was quite difficult having it, but we finished. Chocolate was too heavy for Ian. Strawberry was at least fine. He just pushed it into his stomach. The quantity was quite a lot, but we enjoyed. The taste was good. So now we are going for that pottery classes. We have not reserved it yet, so we'll go over there and we'll check. So we are looking at these plants. Look how they are propagating. So there is one branch that's coming down, and you know they are getting regrown from here. You see, fall. Okay, so we'll move from here now. So we reached the location. It's bright and sunny out here. So we'll check what's the situation of it. So some bad news. They are full today. It seems we had to call them yesterday. So we were just taking a look at some of them. I think these are from the prior classes. Some look good. So there's no problem in staying tomorrow, but we'll have to check if our rooms are available, because we had only booked for 2 days. There are 2-3 other places here. We'll check those places also. If not, then we'll see if we can do something. So we reached the Matri Mandir parking area. So we parked our bikes here. I'm not sure if there is some transport from here or we'll have to walk. There should be at least some electric vehicles that will take us, because the heat is too much today. I think we can go from this side. So we are walking to the Mantri Square, Mantri Mandir, and it's like 1.5 kilometers from here, so it's walking only. And we came across this candles shop, which I think we'll buy while coming back. No? We'll buy it while coming back, because then it will be additional weight for us to carry also. Oh, yeah. So the cinematics video. So this is the hall that we have come to. So it will they'll just tell us some brief points about the temple. So this is a model of how the Matri Mandir looks from inside. So this is a crystal stone through which the sunlight directly comes and falls, and it spreads around. And there is a lotus-like pond beneath, and this is the architecture of it from inside. Right now we are on a walk to Matri Mandir. It's 1.5 kilometers. That will take us approximately 30 minutes. I told my friend we'll take a rickshaw, but he said that we'll go walking. If anything happens to us, my friend is responsible. That's because we are walking at 1 o'clock. After this, we booked a pottery class that's at 3 o'clock. And the stay also is not confirmed, because they are saying it's full, but still they are not able to connect with the guests. I hope we get, if we get, it will be great, because we'll have one more day to stay. And also Auroville is very famous for the architecture. Just talking about architecture, see how this thing is built. You know, there's quite an innovative sense of architecture over here. This is also like another unique architecture. So they were saying in the hotel that the way best to explore Auroville is to take a cycle, rent a cycle and roam with it everywhere, because bikes are not allowed in certain areas, but cycles are. So if we get time, we might do that tomorrow. Even small things here are very detailed, like see the AC covers. Then this is something else. Like it's very unique. I think even students who are pursuing architecture, they are like told, they are even taken on field trips to Auroville and Pondicherry to learn the architecture over here. But you know, it's really worth coming to Auroville. If not Pondicherry, even Auroville is good. So there are a lot of shops and all on the way, and we get to. But we are thinking of buying things while going back. So after walking, we have come to the viewpoint. It looks really good, like even in a live person it looks good. So inside we can go, but we need to book it like 1 week prior. And so this thing will be lakes, so they'll be acting as reservoirs of rainwater. We are a bit tired walking in the hot sun especially, so we'll just wait here like for 4-5 minutes. We'll click some photos and then we'll move again. You know, my friend was the one who was telling us to walk, and he's the first one to sit over here. So we are moving from here. We sat like for 15 minutes, but you know, it is worth visiting once. It looks quite good. What happened? So I was thinking, so we'll now take a rickshaw or something and we'll go down. And then we have to have lunch also, and we have pottery at 3 o'clock. So this is the banyan tree. This falls right in the center of Auroville. So entire Auroville is surrounded around this banyan tree. So it's like a sphere, and it has some patterns that you know that Van Gogh, Van Gogh. Van Gogh, you have seen is a spiral drawing, so they have like focused more on that, and it's more or less Auroville is designed like that only. But the banyan tree is right in the center of it, so everything is surrounded around the banyan tree. So this is the banyan tree. It's quite big. Like if you see the roots, they are spread like for at least around 50 meters on both the sides. My friend gay. So we got this 3 drinks. This is hibiscus, and this is those two Aparajita. Aparajita Malva, I think. So we'll have it.
There's a lot of aftertaste for this.
Quite good. The taste is, I cannot describe it, but it really tastes good. How's yours?
Tastes good. But there's a lot of aftertaste of this.
Okay. Okay, so we'll go to some shops over here. We'll check what's there. See, as I was just mentioning, like how innovative they do the things. So if you look at this stand, the support is always this bottle, and it, you know, it looks good. So we have come for pottery. We had booked it at 3. So yes, they have. Oh, this is like a shop, but they'll be teaching us also. There are cups, there are mugs, there's a lot. So we'll be learning, hopefully we'll be pros at it. So lessons here have begun. So this is a compound clay, meaning they mix 4 different elements in it, and they make this clay. But whereas there is red clay also, terracotta they call it, I guess, that can be directly removed from the soil, and you can directly like mold it into the structure that you want. So he will be just showing us all the theoretical things first, and then we'll be moving on to the practical things.
2 colors of stone.
Okay.
Body. This is the body color.
Okay.
This is the glazed one.
Yeah.
This is the body. Okay. This clay will change this color.
So now we are wedging this clay. We are removing all the air bubbles that are inside. So if there are air bubbles, it seems it will blast during hitting after we mold it into a cup or mug. I'm done making a ball of it. I checked the air bubbles also. I had 0. This guy, they are spending half an hour right now to do it, but still they have like 3-4 air bubbles. I told him to learn it from me, but I did not listen. Look at this one. You have to
teach me chapatis.
you have to make a air bubble, not chapati. What is that you are doing? Look here. This thing is exactly not for you.
What I did, you have to cut small.
No, Ray. What are you doing?
No, I'll make a new one now.
He's changing the technique itself. See, he had such a big air bubble. See, this was air bubble. Okay, we'll see now. What's the next step? So we are done making balls of the clay, and they are almost free from air bubbles. So now there's a demo part. So he's showing us how to make.
Don't keep it like that bottom.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Center, na?
Yeah.
Just tap it to make it center.
Okay.
That is the easiest way to.
Okay.
I'm giving the pressure. You see the clay is
Yeah.
where the clay is there, na?
Yeah. So our bowl is also ready now. So both our boys have set. They are on a mission. Cup. And what you are doing, Ray? Cup. The boro faster, huh? Skill. So he has already aligned it in the center. So the first ball is ready. This is made by Ian.
Then you have to make it close and make it.
And Mefran is still in the process.
Yeah.
So right now I'm on the machine. It's my turn right now. Let's make a cup. We'll make a cup first.
Yeah, it's enough.
Now cup.
Then take it how much base are you want.
Okay. So my first cup is done, and this is it. So it's bit like it's my first try, so it is good. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So it seems that I will get it in like 1 month if we want to see the total full end product, because see, they are painting it here, and all that process will take place. First they'll bake it also. They'll bake it to make it hard.
Yeah. First,
Okay.
the two processes. First will be after making the finishing, hand will be attached.
Okay.
After one firing, it will be 800 degrees.
Okay.
That changes this color. You see the pink color.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
After that thing only, they will color it again. They will know like that. Again, firing will go.
Oh, that is firing this thing.
Yeah. Tomorrow is like an oven right now.
Okay.
Tomorrow they will start the firing.
Oh. So I'm extremely happy on my first cup. Ian is yet on another try. So we are done with our classes. It was a really good experience. It is a really good experience. I wouldn't mind coming here for this again. This thing, looking at these things gives me happiness. After so much of hard work, we have done it. The most tricky part is, how you get it to the center, and how you lift it. That is quite tricky. I did too. We learned, but I would say 5%. There's a lot to learn in this. He said that a complete thing will, it will take a time of almost 2 months to learn the entire thing. But we are happy with our results. Since from the stage that we have made, we have to dry it for 2 days, and our final product will be ready in how many? 2 months? 1 month? Exactly. Okay, 1 month. So first they'll dry it, then they'll put it in the furnace, then they'll dip it. So I'll just show you. Even the dipping process is very different. So if you need to make it as a different color, you see how she dips it, and there is a thing for it also. The density of the color should be measured. It is not that you just add water and all and do it. So it has a proper measurement and the reading also. So we are moving from here right now. Our room is just 2 minutes from here. We did not know that this was so close by. So I will go to our room. So we have come to a cafe. That's Red Chili Pizzeria, I think. No, what is the cafe name? Vedria. It is Red Chili by Italian Slow Food. So we ordered pastas and pizza. We ordered seafood pizza. We wanted to just try how it is. So the initial plan was to go to the room, but then we remembered that we do not have lunch. So that's why we came here. Now evening there are some games at our hotel. We'll attend there, and then at night around 7-8 we'll go to the Auroville beach. The Auroville beach is bit clean and bit pleasant, they say, but we'll see it how it is. So our pasta is come, and this is the pineapple juice. Mefran ordered grape juice. Grapes is a bit bit sour. like this much quantity to drink is a bit difficult. Pineapple is good though. So Ian also ordered pineapple only. We are getting calls from the hotel because there was an art festival. It's not a festival, it's like art exhibition type. We have to draw, they'll give us the things. And there are some games also. So we'll have this quickly and we'll move to the hotel. So this is seafood pasta, seafood pizza, prawns and squids, and I guess those are clams which are there. So we are done having pasta and pizza. I forgot to show you the pizza, show you the pasta, but the pizza was good, seafood pizza. We thought of trying something new. It was good. Now we'll go to a hotel. Let's see if the art workshop is still there. We'll see if it's there. And I'm sure that games at least will be there. We'll be getting to play the game. So we'll make a move now. We'll just say that. So art here is done. It's up to you all to guess which one is mine. तू काही काल ना मी So we just had bath, all of us. The room is still a mess.
Now we are gambling over here.
We are playing cards. We are playing Jodi. We ordered butter chicken and rotis from a good place from here only. Let it come. I guess it will take like another one hour. So before that, I'll do some data transfers so that I can edit the video. Till we play, the data transfer will take place, and then I'll sit and edit the video. So there's some music also that's going on, live music over there. They asked us to come, but let's see. If we are done with all this, we'll go over there. We'll sit like for maybe half an hour, 1 hour max, and then we'll come back because I want to edit the videos. There's no storage on my phone. So you know it's becoming a bit of a problem, and we have like 3 more days. So it's finalized that we are going to stay here tomorrow. So yeah, so they'll give us dorm room itself. So what I was saying, yeah, I have 3 more days also and no storage, so that's why I'll just edit the videos and I'll upload them. They'll get uploaded how I would say in a scheduled way, so like alternate days it might come, or even continuously it will come. Like the Pondicherry series will come continuously mostly. So we'll play cards and then we'll go and sit over there. Food is also come. It came to Zomato. That Zomato guy was also so scared because this falls in a bit interior location. So he's like, "Bhaiya, आप please रात को खाना मत order करो, दिन को करो, हम लोग पहुंचा देंगे." And we are looking at his face. He got really scared. So we ordered butter chicken and parathas. The parathas, no, they are none. The music, this is also over. By the time we reached there, it was over. So just we are here only. So this is the sitting space beneath our room. So for every room, like if you see in front also, there is a sitting space. Like you know, whatever they have done, no, like even minute details, they have paid a lot attention to it. Even look at this ladder, how they have built it. So these small things also, they look quite good over here. So we'll have this now, and we'll see what we can do. By the way, the loser of cards was Mefran, and he got bidding for that also. So this is butter chicken and naan. This guy was saying that butter chicken is good. So we got Odomos also because there were a lot of mosquitoes over here. But since we put Odomos, they are not biting now. So we had food and we played some games also. That is cards. We were tired, so we came up, and almost both the guys are gone to sleep. The time is 12 o'clock. I just finished editing the video. I am a bit late on the editing, delay by 1 day, but yeah, I'll cover it up tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So as you all know, that tomorrow also will be staying over here. I think that's it for today's video. You know, if you ask me about today, I like the pottery. It was something way too different. I did not think that it would happen here. I wanted to go in Goa only for that, but I was not getting an opportunity, and the rates were too expensive. Way too expensive as compared to this. This is just 400, that is 4,000. So you see the difference. And the main plan about coming to Pondicherry was to get experiences of all these offbeat things. So there's stone carving and all, but my art is zero. You all must have seen in that drawing this art exhibition. My art is zero. Art is not my thing, but pottery, yes, I tried. I can definitely improve 2-3 more vessels, and I can improve. But yes, it was a really good experience. Even Auroville, Matri Mandir. There is a lot of facts, lot of knowledge about it that we got to see from the video also. That all the 4 pillars and all, they are placed in a direction of north, south, east, and west. Like there are small facts which I have covered in the video earlier also. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you all have liked the video. If you all have liked it, please to share, comment, like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Just type anything, hi, anything, a heart or anything. Just put it there. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Good night. Bye.